Welcome to MIT.nano, MIT's open access center for nanoscale science and engineering. We offer 200,000 square feet of highly sophisticated and expensive tools to any researcher at MIT who needs them. That's because research in every discipline is increasingly being measured in nanometers. Over the past few decades, scientists and engineers have developed the astonishing ability to design matter like nature does, atom by atom and molecule by molecule. MIT.nano was designed from the ground up to support discovery and innovation at this impossibly small scale, starting in our basement with facilities for seeing and measuring at the nanoscale, then 4 floors of cleanroom for nanofabrication, topped by a 5th floor prototyping space and complemented by the Immersion Lab, where the physical meets the digital. Let's take a look inside. To see at the nanoscale, you need a facility that is utterly stable and quiet, free, that is, from mechanical, vibrational, and electronic interference. For those with technical expertise, our 12 imaging suites are rated VCG and VCE. For the rest of us, all you need to know is that these rooms are very, very quiet. What do we put there? An aberration-corrected, scanning transmission electron microscope capable of making movies of atoms. A cryotransmission electron microscope capable of creating this 3-dimensional representation of an enzyme measuring less than 20 nanometers across. And an array of other powerful instruments that enable researchers to see and measure the smallest structures in nature. The heart of MIT.nano is nearly 50,000 square feet of cleanroom, twice as large as any comparable academic facility. A cleanroom is the pristine, particle-free environment essential for controlled processing of nanoscale structures. The most pristine spaces in MIT.nano are rated Class 100. This means in a cubic foot of air, there are fewer than 100 particles larger than half a micron, or 500 nanometers. MIT.nano's cleanroom is built like a 4-story layer cake. Each level is 2 stories tall. The first story on each level is the working space for researchers. The second floor is a fan deck that cleans and replaces the air on the first floor up to 250 times an hour, or every 15 seconds. Our community of researchers spans nearly every science and engineering discipline at MIT, in addition to external users from government, industry, and academia. To serve their diverse needs, the cleanroom offers a comprehensive set of nanoscale capabilities to design and fabricate devices by adding, selectively removing, and modifying materials. Characterization, microscopy, and spectroscopy tools allow users to understand the impact of each step on their project, and to discover and explain how new devices work. The Monterey Tech prototyping space, located on the 5th floor, is a unique set of interconnecting labs with tool sets that enable researchers to translate their insights and innovations into devices, products, and technologies that can be taken out into the world. For example, these tools are for prototyping and packaging of photonics integrated circuits. In development is a specialized laboratory to enable innovation in additive manufacturing with a focus on advanced polymers and micro and nanoscale 3D printing. Located on our 3rd floor, the MIT.nano Immersion Lab is an environment for visualizing data, prototyping advanced tools for augmented and virtual reality, and developing new software and hardware concepts for immersive experiences. The Immersion Lab is where the physical meets the digital. Its purpose is to broaden interdisciplinary interest in augmented and virtual reality immersive technologies at MIT, and to facilitate the display and interaction with 3D, 4D, and other large datasets. Researchers across MIT are using nanotechnology to reshape our world from the nanoscale up. The pace and range of innovation is astonishing. Energy and sustainability, new tools and sensors, advanced materials, computing, manufacturing, health. Yet, for all the extraordinary knowledge and technology humanity now possesses to innovate at the nanoscale, we are just at the dawn of the nano age. MIT.nano has been set in the heart of campus as a vessel to explore the frontiers of this new era. Everywhere we look, we see infinite possibility. But we recognize that to make meaningful progress, we need the partnership of others who share our passion for serious impact. We invite you to join us in building a better world, 1 nanometer at a time.